it's Melanie, and today I'm doing a quick little tutorial because, you know, it's a Friday night, it's midnight, and I felt like putting some freaking makeup on, so I figured I might as well just film it. And I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day look because obviously I have some hot plans for Valentine's Day, and I'm going out on a date, and this is probably what I'm gonna wear. And yeah, so basically, you know, this is also something you could wear on like a daily basis to school, you know, like a daily makeup routine. I wear it like to school, to like church, to just like anywhere, because it's really natural, obviously, and it just like enhances your features. Okay, no, obviously I'm kidding. This is a really freaking glam caked look. So this is the look I came up with. I kind of just decided to like play with my makeup, and this is pretty much what happened. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you should give this a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these makeup videos because I want to do more makeup videos, but hopefully you guys like this, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and that it was helpful, I guess. Just let me know if you guys like these makeup videos, and I'll see you soon. Now I have to go take off this makeup that I just put on for no reason. Oh, why am I like this? Just kidding. Sometimes I just like walk around the house in a face full of makeup, and I think my family has just learned, like, you know, it's normal. Like, that's just what Melanie does, you know? Bye!